Welcome to Chimicro. I'm Johnson Fatwa. Today we're going to be talking about Python programming in this course for some weeks. Python programming with data development. One of the features of Python programming with data is that it's scalable. Scalability, when you need to scale your system, you can simply add more web nodes to data. That is, you can scale it horizontally. Two products that use Diallo scalability are Discord and Instagram. Second feature is portability. The portability of Python makes it for a portable Diallo to various platforms include Windows, Linux, and Mac. So there's no need saying you program on Windows, you can import it to Linux. You can move from platform to platform. Security. Python Diallo ensures some arrangement for security too. One of these is that it stores hash password in cookies. Not just storing your password in cookies, but in a hash form. Versatility. Python Diallo will work with formats like HTML for those that program HTML, JSON, XML, among others. It also supports many different client-side frameworks, so we can use it to build anything including regular websites and social networks. Packages. Diallo programming has the foundation of thousands of additional packages. Ease of use. Features like the built-in admin interface make it easy to build a Diallo. It is also fully functional and find it easy to switch databases for those that want to switch from one database to the other database. Prerequisite for creating a project in this Python Diallo Programming Master course. We will study the prerequisite to create a project in Python Diallo. We're going to be having a series of projects, like about minimum of 3 projects on this, and you will enjoy it. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Gilles Van and released in 1981. Python is used for a lot of people ask me, what can I use Python? What you should worry about it? What can I use it for? You can use it for web development, for server-side programs. You can use it for software development, which we are going to be doing. We're going to be showcasing web development projects. We're going to be showcasing desktop application development. And we're going to be using for mathematical samples. System scripting, we can also use for data science and statistic modeling. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflow. Python can connect to database system. It can also read and modify files. It can connect to database like MySQL, Oracle from any kind of database. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Why Python? Why should I program in Python? Why should I study Python? Why should I develop application in Python? One of my best programs. After I studied Java, I work with Java. I love Python more than Java. So the truth is that Python is easy. Why Python? Python works on different platforms. It can work on Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. You see, the truth is Python is very close to English language. Not actually close, but it is simple to understand for a starter. Python has a syntax that allows developers to write programs with few lines than some other programming languages. The simple your program, the easier the work is. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. We can execute our code as soon as it's written, so there is no need for compilation over compilation. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Python installation. Look for the next video to get installed.